What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I wasn't able to put out a BABA video yesterday because I was busy with other things, but I'm still going to give you guys an update for today. So let's take a look at what happened since BABA. Since Wednesday, you can see that price did move up higher towards this trend line in EMA. But we did see rejection from that 83-84 level. So if I drag this red range across, you can see the support is somewhat acting as resistance now. So we could see further downside. We'll have to wait and see. So where is BABA headed? Well, obviously, it's been bearish for quite a long time now. But we did bounce off of support. So this $80 level is a strong support. It's the orange range lows support and the yellow range lows support. So again, there's a strong support here. So again, bulls are trying to reach the opposite side of the range, which is back over here. So if we hit the lows, price will try to hit the highs. So if we hit the lows right now, bulls are attempting to hit the highs. But look what bulls have to face in their way. They have to go through this trend line and the EMA, and it looks like this 83-87 level could be acting as, some type of resistance. So again, there's some resistance in the way. Let's take a look at what happened in the past for BABA to push through. You see there was a bounce from the $8 level, and there was a strong push through right through the trend line. So we haven't seen that yet. Can it occur? It can occur. Is it expected to occur? Probably not. So we'll have to wait and see. But, we did see two legs down. This is one leg down here by the bears. This is the second leg down. Measure move is met at support, and we're moving up higher. So again, BABA has the capability to push up higher. I'm not saying it's not going to happen or non-existent. It does have the capability to push up higher. But for me to be bullish, I want to see the break past the trend line. So something like this, a small pullback, and further upside can be followed. So that's what I want to see for me to be bullish for BABA. Right now, this is still bearish territory. I want to see a break of this trend line, because if not, we can still continue down lower. We can break the $80 level, and we can continue trading down towards a large measure move target at the 53. So let's see what happens for BABA in the coming days and weeks. It looks like earnings report is estimated to be maybe next week, Friday. We'll have to wait and see. But soon, maybe sometime November, we're going to be seeing the earnings report. So let's see what BABA does from that. But either way, like I said before, BABA has a capability to push up higher. If you guys see, BABA break this trend line, start breaking through the mid 80s, high 80s, then you know that there's a good chance we can reach the opposite side of the range. As right now, it's not that great of a chance because we're still below resistance levels. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart, and last week was a nice bullish week for BABA. You can see that we had a nice bounce off the $80 level, which is a good sign. I want to see continued follow through. If we can get back above this EMA and trend line, I think that's a very good sign for BABA. We could be seeing a rally towards the 102, maybe even the 120. The last time BABA hit 120 was January of this year, so maybe we can come visit that again sometime this year, because measure move targets aren't always reached. This was a leg down by the bears here, and this was the start of the measure move target. This was the first attempt that failed. This was the second attempt that failed, and usually, you're going to see two final attempts or two attempts to reach the target. But when the market reset, basically you can see there was a correction working up. This is the second attempt of the second attempt. So basically the final attempt most of the time. So again, if we do see a strong rally take place, BABA may not reach this 53 target, and we could just rally out of here. So let's see what happens. I think in the next coming days, coming weeks, it's going to be very exciting for BABA. Let's see if we can hold that $80 level. If it can, and we see a nice move up, I think there's a good chance BABA can reach the 102, maybe even the 120. If we start finding resistance from this trend line again and the EMA, it's probably going to break this trend line or this horizontal level at the $80 level. So that's how I'm looking at BABA. It's leaning more towards the downside, but it has the capability to push up higher from this level. So that's all I have for BABA. And I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.